What makes asphalt so popular for roads? Welcome to Blueprint to Reality. Today, we're diving into a topic that drives modern infrastructure: why asphalt is the preferred material for roads worldwide. From highways to city streets, asphalt dominates for good reasons. But what makes it so special? Let's unravel the science, benefits, and popularity of asphalt in road construction. What is asphalt? Asphalt is a mixture of aggregates, like crushed stone, sand, or gravel, and a binder, typically bitumen. Bitumen, a sticky, black petroleum byproduct, acts as the glue that holds the aggregates together. This durable and flexible material is used to pave roads, highways, parking lots, and more. Asphalt can be customized with additives to enhance its performance for specific environments, making it incredibly versatile. Why asphalt is so popular? There are several reasons why asphalt has become the go-to material for road construction. Let's break it down. 1. Durability and strength. Asphalt can withstand heavy loads and repeated traffic stress, making it ideal for roads and highways. Its ability to expand and contract with temperature changes ensures it remains intact over time, reducing the risk of cracks and potholes. 2. Smooth driving surface. Asphalt provides a smooth, quiet driving surface, improving the overall driving experience. Its uniform texture minimizes wear and tear on vehicles, saving money for drivers. 3. Cost-effectiveness. Compared to other materials like concrete, asphalt is more affordable to produce and install. Its quick installation time reduces labor costs and minimizes disruptions to traffic. 4. Flexibility. Asphalt is highly adaptable, making it suitable for different climates and traffic conditions. Engineers can modify its composition to enhance properties like skid resistance, durability, or heat tolerance. 5. Ease of maintenance. Asphalt roads are easy to repair with techniques like resurfacing or patching. Regular maintenance extends the lifespan of asphalt roads, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. 6. Sustainability. Asphalt is one of the most recycled materials globally. Old asphalt can be milled, reprocessed, and reused in new projects. Using recycled asphalt reduces the need for new raw materials, making it an environmentally friendly option. The science behind asphalt's popularity. Let's take a closer look at the properties that make asphalt so effective. 1. Viscoelastic nature. Asphalt behaves as both a viscous liquid and an elastic solid, depending on temperature and load. This property allows it to absorb traffic stress without cracking or deforming. 2. Water resistance. Asphalt's impermeable nature protects roads from water infiltration, reducing the risk of damage caused by freezing and thawing cycles. 3. Skid resistance. Additives and surface treatments can enhance asphalt's texture, providing better grip for vehicles and improving safety. 4. Thermal properties. Asphalt absorbs and retains heat, which can help melt snow and ice on roads during winter. However, engineers need to balance this with potential challenges in extremely hot climates. Applications of asphalt. Asphalt's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. 1. Highways and expressways. Asphalt's durability and smooth surface make it the perfect choice for high-speed, high-traffic roads. 2. Urban streets. Its adaptability allows for creative solutions in busy urban environments, where roads often face varied traffic loads. 3. Airports. Asphalt's ability to withstand heavy loads and provide a smooth landing surface makes it essential for runways and taxiways. 4. Sports tracks and recreational areas. Specialized asphalt mixtures create surfaces for running tracks, bike paths, and sports courts. Challenges of asphalt. While asphalt has many advantages, it's not without its challenges. Susceptibility to temperature. Extreme heat can cause asphalt to soften, while freezing temperatures can make it brittle. Environmental concerns. While asphalt is recyclable, the production of bitumen involves petroleum, which raises sustainability concerns. Despite these challenges, advancements in asphalt technology are continuously improving its performance and reducing its environmental impact. Conclusion. Asphalt's unique blend of durability, cost-effectiveness, and sustainability has made it the backbone of modern road construction. Its adaptability and ease of maintenance ensure that it remains a popular choice for engineers and city planners worldwide. Thank you for joining us on Blueprint to Reality. If you enjoyed learning about asphalt's role in road construction, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into civil engineering and infrastructure. See you next time.